Doctor, please, I am begging you with everything you hold dearest. Save my son. I have 4,000 naira here. Just start treatment.
Oga, I don't understand you. Your son is dying and you're here begging that we'll commence treatment with just 4,000 naira. Here is not charitable organization, sir. Except the 70,000 naira is completed before I can commence treatment on him.
Doctor, you know what? Just hold this one first, eh? I will run. Let me go and hustle and bring him any money. I'm coming.
You had better not joke with your son's life.
Dr. Benki, I have 10,000 naira. Please commence treatment on my son, please.
Madam, please.
Doctor, I beg.
Drugs are quite expensive.
Please, doctor.
It's not better you take him to another hospital.
Yes, he has gone to raise more money. Please, pity us. Please, don't allow my son to die.
Nurse, please take this money from her. Alright? Collect the 10,000 naira. Once the husband comes back, get the complete money before we can start anything.
Thank you.
Alright. Please do that now.
Please.
Enjoy yourself. I've ordered meat. They are bringing the meat. So I want you guys to enjoy. Niva Digo. I can leave and Niva Digo. What even? After here now, I'm taking both of you to my mother's shop.
Wow.
And a boazo there. Wow. And we think what be another, other Urishi. This is something.
I can't wait.
So enjoy yourself, yeah. This your color is
Oga, I need your help, Oga. My son, he is in the hospital and the doctor said they no go treat him until I pay 70K deposit. Please, I beg you. Just give me the money, make I go pay and make I start the treatment for my son.
Mona, enjoy yourself, yeah? Okay. No let anything worry, just enjoy. Kene?
Sir?
Kene? Sir? I beg. Please, I beg you. No carry your wahala, can't disturb me with my own problem. Everybody get problem for this country. Oh. Eh? Do you even know what I'm passing through? Brother, there is no money. Oh. There is no money. For this world where you see now, everybody is passing through one problem or the other. Just like you are passing through one now.
Okay, Oga.
So carry your problem, go where you from, carry and come.
Oga, I don't hear you. You know waiting. For 3 days now, you never pay me my money. And at 21K. Just give me that money, make I carry and go deposit for my son, make I start in treatment.
Problem they sleep, Yanga they wake up. You say you do waiting. You do waiting for 21K for where? Kene? How many blocks were you brought from my site yesterday? You even get mind. As in you chop liver. Come they ask me, say make I give you 21K. For plenty blocks.
Okay, give me my money. Give me my money. Wait. I carry block under rain. You know, everywhere they slippery. I break my back. And the man is doing this work. You still tell me waiting. No, see, okay, I don't respect you too much. Give me my money.
I know if you know where I carry this criminal country. See,
now you be criminal. Now, pay me my money. Pay me my money. Now the blocks for you. Yeah, see, I know the joke. See,
you won't fight me. I will teach you lesson.
What are you doing?
I'm deeply sorry for your loss, man. Take heart.
Junior, please.
You go see.
No.
I don't do
You go see. That's where they find. You go see. That's where they find. You go see.
Kene, Junior!
I go play now. Hey! You! Hey! You don't say.
You go jump planet. You go jump planet. You go jump planet. Arrest him. Leave me because of this guy. My pikin don't die. You mess up. My pikin don't die because of this idiot. My pikin don't die because of this idiot.
Take him away. Officer, take him away. Take him away. I told you I will deal with you. I didn't know it was a criminal or a criminal. A common criminal that I employed in my site. I thought it was a gentleman who see me see problem. Hey! Just like I know, I say something like this won't happen today. I say, make I be a go now. But you know what you will do. Oh, mama. Officer, take him away, please. Take him away.
Junior, please. Please. You can't do this to us. Please, Junior, wake up. Junior, please.
Junior, this is your small leg strong. You see, baby. No, wait. I'm coming. Let me get something. I'm coming. Take.
Hey.
And this one. One more.
What are we celebrating?
Well, good life.
Okay.
Success.
Nice.
Yeah, small. Don't let it. You see, it's even doing shh. Yeah. Ha. Do it for your mom. So cheers to your
Cheers.
mom. Yeah, but let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah. Junior. Easy, baby.
You guys are okay, Abi?
Yes,
You want more drinks?
No.
Mama Ada, oh, Mama Ada. Mama Ada, oh. I think we have already paid for all this drink. Those Nkwobi and Isiye were asked you to prepare. Biko, my girls are here. Biko. Ana ango here without this thing. It cause a lot of problems.
Yes,
Biko, water, if you cannot attach her even. My ladies need something to.
You are succeeded in killing my son. And you are here drinking.
Kene, please.
My only son.
Please.
And you are here drinking with this girl. Still drinking with this girl.
Kene, please.
No,
You can not gotten to this.
Hey.
Biko,
No.
Kene, please, I'm sorry.
That's your phone.
Please.
That's your phone. Call the police. Now, call them now.
Please, Kene, I'm sorry.
Eh? You are as good as dead.
Kene, Biko, no. Olubera coach, Biko, forgive me, please. I'm sorry. Please.
Will your begging bring back my son?
Kene, Biko, no.
Will my forgiveness bring back my only son?
Kene, Biko, no.
My only son!
Bahalo, Biko.
Don't tell me sorry! When I was begging him, did you people do anything?
Kene, Biko. I have some money here with me. I'll give you some. You're my friend, though. We don't need to quarrel, though. You know what I'm talking about. You're my friend.
You have some money.
And I have some more work for you. Please, forgive me.
Hey!
Biko, bahalo, Kene, Biko, bahalo. Biko. You're my friend. We don't need to quarrel, though. Biko, no. Hey, Kene. Chotrum transport, come with Pano. I'm going to know what. Biko. Kene, bahalo, Biko. Bahalo. Yan ang kanya ba transport alam Biko. Sorry Biko, bahalo. Nangoy bukan mo.
I know you have no money and you have no job yet. I love you and I'm with you. We can build our lives together. I know that one day you will get a job, a good paying one at that, and you will make me proud. I believe in you and I believe in our dreams. Just don't give up on us, on me. Tomorrow will be better.
Yes, I know this, and you know where my heart stands. But your mother wants to cut my head off my shoulder because you chose me. Other businessmen are on the queue asking for your hand in marriage, and they're even ready to see you through school. Well, look at me. I don't have money. And your mother won't allow me pay your bride price. So tell me, how do I face this?
My mother likes money more than her life. I wish my father is still alive. It would have been easier. But Don't ever think I'm going to leave you. You are the love of my life. And promise me you'll be faithful to me.
Say, poor man, they cheat. Eh? Tell me. So where is he money from? See, I may not have all the money in the world, but having you in my life is my world. See, I have an interview tomorrow, and I believe by God's grace, I will ace it. I will get a job. And when that time comes, I will go to your mother. I'll go and visit her in grand style. It will be Isioma weds Kene.
Rush. Kene, you're rushing. Calm down first.
Oh, you're not seeing the future with me.
I'm seeing the future with you.
Just
calm down.
Just imagine the pararara that will be happening from.
What's wrong? Were you robbed? Come on, talk to me. Okay. Okay, listen. My name is Chief Ude. I am the SA to the governor. You can't be here. This is a lonely part. Something can happen to you. Please oblige me to assist you. I am not a ritualist, so I don't have anything bad in mind. Come and help her with her bag. Not to worry, okay? Come on. Get her bag. Get into the car so that you'll talk to me, okay? You're safe. Let me help you with the bag. Give me a hand. You're safe. Yeah, you can get in. This is a lonely part. There's no way you will just be here alone.
Do you know she refused to listen to all my instructions? Instead, she ran away and she went to live with that Efu boy. Then I disowned her. Just look at what she's been through. As long as she sucked this my breast and I raised her. Hey! And then she decided to abscond with that boy. She will always end up in tears. Oh yeah, fufu, oh yeah, fufu.
Mama, I'm sorry.
Leave me alone.
I'm sorry. I was deceived. I was naive. I'm sorry, Mama, please. Please.
Do you know what I've been through for the past 8 years? Do you know? Do you know what I've been through since you lost your father? I picked you up, I nurtured you. I raised you as my child. What did you do to me? You decided to slap me with shame. Isioma, you disgraced me.
Mama, I'm sorry.
Please. Like I said, you find it in your heart to forgive her. Okay? She told me you couldn't send her to the university because there was no money. But that would lead me to ask you, do you still want to further your education? It's not late yet.
I want, but please, help me beg her to accept me back. Please.
Please, madam, I still beg of you. Forgive her, okay? I will sponsor her education. Yes. I will sponsor her education. But please, that will only happen if you forgive her. Okay? Please.
Come. Hi.
Ozugo.
I forgive you. Forgive you. Chief, thank you very much. God bless you. Oh.
No problem.
Thank you.
See, Isioma, right? I take this. Let's start with this, okay? Put your things together. Then on Monday, you come to the office. You have my number, right? On Monday, you come to my office with your results. Let's see the school that can give you admission. And if possible, you will be working while you're schooling, okay?
Hey.
But promise me you will not see that boy again.
Oh no, it's never.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
No, it's okay. No, don't do that, please. I'm not God, eh?
Thank you.
So, I'll be going, eh? So, you take care of yourself, eh?
Thank
and
you,
be proud of your mom, okay? It's all right.
Thank you. What would I have done without you? God bless you, sir.
Thank you.
God bless you. I really appreciate this gift to be good. Thank you. Oh, hey.
Come here, I've missed you.
I miss you.
Isioma. 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 see? It's your man now. Yes.
Please, I told you.
You told me what?
Stop doing it. I'll follow.
You
Please, Kene, please.
Wait.
What?
I just felt a vibration in my pocket.
Okay.
Hey!
What?
I got the job! My love, see! Hey! God has done it. God has done it. I got the job. See. Hey! Hey, God! Hey!
Jesus Christ! Oh my God! Finally! Thank you, Jesus. Thank you.
Oh, thank you. Hey! Easy! Ogini! Oh, Judy, why? Huh? What is it? Are you okay? Eh? Are you okay?
I'm pregnant.
Hey! Double celebration!
Yes. Please, calm down.
Wait, I'll be somebody's father. And I have a job as... Oh!
Don't faint.
Everything now double.
Calm down.
Hey! Let me hold you.
Oh, Jesus Christ! Oh God, Kene, stop.
So you think by impregnating my daughter that it will make me allow you marry her, my only child? Iseka, you lie. You are a liar. You will never marry her. Okwenanuya, are you Isioma? For getting pregnant for this useless boy, I disown you. I wash off my hands from you. I have disowned you. You are no longer my daughter. You are not my child anymore. Jebe!
Mama Biko, I have a job now.
Yeah.
I love your daughter. Please, accept us.
Accept us.
Mama, please. I'm carrying your grandchild.
With that grandchild. Whose grandchild? Onyori. You said you have a job.
Yes.
Because which office are you working? Eh? You that you're wearing face cap. Look at your leg. Look at what you're wearing. This is what they wear to work at the office. You that dress like Kotuma. And you are here coming to tell me you have a job. Ofia, I said I don't like you. You will never marry my child. Leave. Nava. Is it my fault? Ngema, you said grandchild. Whose person's grandchild? If you ever say it again, after being gone. Nonsense. You did not see rich men to go and allow yourself to be pregnant with a rich man. Is this this half man that has nothing that you went and opened your leg for? Ndala, look at the way they are looking. You people should leave my house. Leave. Is it my fault?
Mama, I have potential. I'm a graduate.
Eh. Okay, you are a graduate.
Yes.
You have potential.
Mama.
But don't no, wait, I'm coming. Let me come and answer you. You explain a potential. You know I don't know it.
Mama, please accept us. I'm a graduate. I have potentials. It's just a matter of time.
Hey! Stupid people. He's a potential and a graduate. Easy. Onyori. Look at you. Do men like you wear face cap in the morning? You balu slippers, you leave face cap. Come here and tell me you are potential. Easy. Thief.
God, why? Why? God, what is my offense? I lost my son. Now, I can't find my woman. I've lost my woman too. God, what is my crime? Junior, I can't find your mother. Junior, I can't find your mother.
Please take very good care of yourself and always pray for me.
I will.
I'll call you. And please help me. Thank Chief. You know, if not for him, I wouldn't have gotten admission into the university.
You see, Chief is a God sent to wipe away my tears. He's a God sent to wipe away widow's tears. Widow like me. He has come into my life to change my life. Chief, thank you so much. God bless you.
You're welcome.
If you go to school, because face your studies.
Yes, ma'am.
Do not be distracted.
I won't.
I want you to be a very serious student.
Okay, Mama.
You know, God? God will keep blessing you for me.
Amen.
You know, God?
You know why I'm smiling? I remember the first time I was here. You were just looking as if the weight of the whole world was on your shoulders. But look at you today. You're shining.
Oh, Chukwu, and to your help. Okay,
you see,
thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome. You see, since I lost my wife, I was forced to sending my children outside the country. But guess what? My only daughter, whom I've not seen in 7 years, will be coming back by next month. And by that time, I will now be smiling and shining more than you're even doing now.
Hey, that's good. Our children gives us joy, especially when they follow our footsteps and then achieve their dreams. Nobody gives birth to a child and wish the child evil. I will be happy to meet your daughter too.
Oh, surely we'll visit you when she comes back. Thank you. We'll visit you. Besides, we are family now.
Yes.
I can't wait to meet them. I've spoken with them on the phone. They were so excited.
You spoke with them on phone?
Yeah, she did.
Hey, thank you very much, sir. Chief, because I have this little gift. It's oranges. So my daughter said you love taking orange. So I thought, let me just give it to you. Your driver.
But
you put it inside the boot.
You shouldn't have bothered yourself.
That's the little I can afford. Because
well, anyways, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I think we'll be going so that we won't get there late.
It's all right.
Do take care of yourself.
Take care of yourself too and my daughter.
All right.
God will continue to bless you.
Thank you.
Hey, you German.
All right. You can
journey.
Open the door for her. Let her go in.
No, Jello, he's coming to open the boot for you. I'm going to tell you. Oh, now. Because drive carefully, oh?
Okay, ma'am.
Hey, drive back down. We are Mbaka.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Thank
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
And this your glasses, hope you'll be seeing the road very well.
Yes. How do you know it's a conference lens?
Hey, why you know so? Bye-bye. Why you, Moka? Hey, some emergency.
Instead of languishing in this village, why not move to the city and start a new life? Isioma is gone, and you and I know that the mother will kill you if you near their place. You can't continue to dwell in the past.
No. There's nothing out there for me. I've been looking for jobs. It's been one disappointment after the other.
Listen, I know all this, but many people have been through worse and they were able to pick up their life and forge ahead. You can do this, okay? Just come to the city. There are so many opportunities there. You never can tell. At least you need a change of environment for your sanity.
Nah, you know what they do me like this? Are they hungry? And nothing there inside this house. Do you have any money on you?
I feel once you thank you now. What's in take if you do for you?
Thank you. Hey, that one be say I don't become king.
Okay. No problem now. We just have to go and use the POS. But like I said, you need to leave this village. Come to the city so that when you make it, those people who left you, when they see you, they don't go get mouth to talk.
Nah, I don't care. People will get mad and go run up. So, see, I want to be waiting in my mind like this.
Close the door now. Let's go.
Yes, okay. See, if I'm like that, nobody will enter. What did I get for the house?
Welcome back.
Thank you so much. You look more beautiful than the pictures you sent.
Even you. I made your favorite.
No, that's not true. That's a lie. No, that. Did you ask her to make my favorite meal?
Anything for my sweetest daughter.
Oh, thank you. You are amazing. Thank you so much, Daddy. Thank you.
And welcome once again.
Thank you. You know what? I'm going to leave you two here and I'll head over to the kitchen, okay? Okay, yes. Okay? Alright, thank you very much.
Like
Yes, okay, upstairs. Okay, taking the bags upstairs.
Be careful, please.
Yeah, sure.
Oh my goodness. Nsoma, thank you. God. Nsoma, thank you. Thank you so much. I've been craving for this like you won't even understand. Lord. Dad.
Yeah.
Thank you for telling Nsoma to make this for me.
For us.
Yeah, I've not had this in 7 years.
Wow.
And I must say you are a good cook. I mean, I'm a good cook, but you are a great cook.
Are you for real?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. Thank you. I would love to taste your cooking.
Oh,
Yeah.
that can testify.
Yeah. Chantal is a super chef. But not up to my late wife. She was the best cook in the whole wide world.
Okay.
Yeah.
I see what you did there. I'm not going to go into that.
You better not even go there.
Dad, there is no better way to have welcomed me This is perfect.
You know, I remember then when you guys were small, each time I'm eating, I will always make sure everybody eats meat.
Yes,
Do you mind?
I don't mind. I don't mind. I'm here. I'm here. Hello.
Of
Are you
course.
jealous?
No, you will have yours. Don't worry. You'll have yours. You'll
Thank
have
you.
yours.
Are you
I'll give
jealous? Why not?
This clothes looks quite expensive. Chantel, you're so beautiful.
You deserve it. Come on. You deserve all of it. Seriously.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
You know, my father has not stopped talking about you. Like, there's no discussion he doesn't mention your name. And only good stories. So, seriously. And I'm really, really happy you're in his life. I mean, for one, I finally have a sister.
Thank you. Thank you so much for all of this. It's so encouraging, and I'm blessed to have met your dad. And now have a sister too. You know, your dad gave my life a meaning. Yeah, I was blind and naive. But through him, my mom forgave me and he secured an admission for me. And now I'm doing my dream course, and help me thank him.
Oh, no. Trust me, we should be the one thanking you. Because right now, you are the one giving my father his teas. Yes. No, seriously. I mean, now he eats well homemade food. And his properties are safe. I mean, everything is just kept in place. Seriously, you mean a lot to him. And to us. Honestly, part of the reason I actually came back was to meet you in person.
Aww. Thank you so much. I love the clothes. You know, most weekend I come home and cook him what will last him for the weekend. I change his toiletries, do his laundry, and I'm happy doing it. That's my token of appreciation.
Oh, Lord. I'm genuinely happy. You know, some other women will probably come into a family and want to turn family members against each other. But not you. I am so happy. Come here.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Lord, this clothes.
I picked them myself.
It's very pretty.
Oh, it will be very good on your body. Yes, it will.
Okay. What's going on now? Come on, this is not what we discussed. Are you not going to the city with me again? You're supposed to be ready so that you follow me to the city. What's this?
No, I have reasoned everything you've said. And still, there's nothing out there for me. Eh? Besides, town is just 40 minutes away from here. And I cannot go there and be squatting with anybody.
Me? Anybody? Me? Anybody? No, have I treated you anyhow before? Have I? Now, let me ask you. Since this is your situation, this is your present condition, how many people have visited you here? No, how many people have called you on the phone and said, how far? It's only me, Uche, that have been visiting you. I believed in you. I still believe in you. That if you follow me to the city, that your life will be better. I know what I'm saying.
See, Uche, I appreciate you. I really do. But at this point, just let me breathe. Eh? Do you know how many jobs I have a job interview I've gone for? See, there's this farmland. I'm waiting for them to lease for me. Once they lease it, I'll start farm business there. And there's one small poultry I'm also eyeing. Now see, if everything just sets in, my life is good for me. All you see, just support me in any way you can. Just help me.
Bro, You are too learned to be a laborer. This thing is not for you. But me, I've said my own. Oh, I've said my own. But I can see that your mind is made up. So I'll be going to the city. And anytime you decide to change your mind, any day you change your mind, my door is open for you. Yeah, I'm going. What's all this?
Hello, thank you very much. Safe journey, yeah?
Now well done, eh?
Well done.
Well done, well done. Please make sure you mix them very well. Okay.
Now this block help you.
You are really putting in a lot of money here and you don't want us to be part of it.
You can save your money for the future. You think I'm not capable?
Look at that. This is massive. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
Wow. Well, I can actually supervise this for you, but you have to pay me in dollars. Yes. I'm not taking naira.
Okay, in that case, you know what we'll do? We'll get your safety boots and gears. And your work starts now.
How much are you paying me? Besides, I'll need to be mobile. I prefer this car. You can use your other car for your political things.
Well, whatever thing you want. You're talking about how much I'll pay you and I'll pay you in dollars?
Yes.
Just name your price.
Yes, that's my daddy. That's my. Let me get some pictures from here.
At least, you know, from here you get a very good view of the whole environment. You know. What?
It's very beautiful. I like it.
Yeah, let me show you the sides of the hotel. Come on, baby.
Oh my goodness, Dad. This is.
Hey guys, I just want to use this opportunity to introduce Chantal to you. She's my daughter, and henceforth she will be doing the supervision here. Okay? So please, whatever thing you do here, always try to be careful. Huh?
Small madam.
Not small one, no, it's a big one at that. Huh?
See you tomorrow, gentlemen.
All right.
Hey. No, I will take it. You get it. I'm going to do the small one before you go. If you run this one out, time will happen. This one will be close. Why no go pay off?
After said and done, after all the things you did to my daughter to deceive her, you still amount to nothing. Nothing, Onyago! To fiakwa. Come back, I'm talking to you, I'm still talking to you. Geba, Onyala, what do you have? What do you have? Oh? Nothing, look at you're wearing bathroom slippers. Nkendago. That is what you are wearing. Eh? And you are forming a Jezebel as if you have money by putting earphone on your ori. That is how you'll be walking about looking for another girl to deceive. Because you will not see my daughter. You will not see her. Yo, go! Ooh, yogi! Akebotokuro. Stupid person. Poor boy. Poverty. Onyaruran. If I allow you, you come and deceive my daughter for nothing. Eh? Tofia! Stupid person no more. Enjoy you.
Hey bro, what's up? Oh, the pictures are from my first day at that site. It was a little bit stressful, but I'm just gonna flow with it. Tomorrow I resume as the supervisor. I know. Oh, call when you can. Bye.
Good day, gentlemen and lady. My name is Chantel. I am Chief Uday's daughter. I'm sure some of you saw me the other day when I came with my father. Well, I am the new supervisor on site. And I would appreciate it if we can work as a team, okay? If you need anything, feel free to let me know, all right? Thank you very much. You can go back to work.
I appreciate you for your words.
Thank
I
you.
love your topic. I love your topic.
Thank you.
Go find that thing.
Easy, just take it easy. Wait, what?
Is this what you people do here? Using my block to cook? Okay.
Madam.
Yes?
I beg, Organo will come at us today.
Obviously not.
Hey.
Is there a problem?
Alright, you no go pay us today. Because you know say we go give family money for us. And as I don't say now, we go need money to chop.
Don't worry, you get paid, okay?
Hey, thank you. Make I finish my work.
These people didn't bring the second heap of sand.
No, ma.
Good evening, Chief.
Good evening, my dear.
I was shocked when you told me you were around, but then you refused to come to the hostel. I hope all is well.
Yeah, all is pretty well, just that I am disturbed. You see, ever since I lost my wife, I have been a lonely man. And I practically trained my children all by myself. And at the same time, they've been on my neck to get married and have a companion. I've tried a couple of times and it never worked. But ever since I met you, you became part of my life, part of my family. My children loves you and my daughter is so crazy about you. I really don't know how you see me, neither would I force myself on you, but the truth of the matter is that I am in love with you.
Chief, you are my lifesaver. You are the reason why I'm here. I don't know, but I'm sure you're not training me for someone else to enjoy.
No, I'm not mad yet. I'm not mad yet.
Look, Chief, I've loved you right from the day you picked me. You took me in. Even your children accepted me, not minding my past and my class.
Oh.
I owe you a lot. Yeah, I know. And right now, I'm the happiest lady on earth. But what I don't know is why you started coming. You should have just sent for me.
No, Isioma. I just needed to see you since Chantel has taken over the site. The truth of the matter is, I am ready to spend the rest of my life with you. So, once your exams you're done with your exams, we'll seal up locally, traditionally, and then we'll travel out for a honeymoon.
It's fine. I mean, I'm all yours. And I know Chantel will be so happy to hear about this. And my mother, that one, she will so announce it to the whole village out of excitement.
Wow.
Yeah.
Well, that being said, I am telling you now that I am a happy man and I have peace.
Oh, this is beautiful, Chief.
You like it?
No, I love it. Oh my God. Okay, you know what? Tonight, you're not going anywhere.
If
Yes, your driver will have to drop us in a hotel and he will go back to Chantel. I'm having you all to myself throughout this week.
Isioma.
What?
In that case, I have a request to make.
Okay, anything.
You have to take it easy with
On-
me and on me because I am not Gen Z. Come on, baby. Cheers.
Cheers.
This tastes good.
Yeah.
Hey,
Thank you.
you seem so unfriendly. I mean, I didn't see you even as much as talk with another worker.
I'm here to work, not just. Any problem with that?
No, not a problem. You do speak well, actually. What are you doing here?
I'm unable to get a better job. Good night, Miss Shanton.
Well, that's that for today. Oh. Hey, Dad. Now we're done for the day. You didn't come again. No, Dad. We didn't talk about this. I mean, you're leaving me all by myself in that big house? We need to renegotiate too. Where are you? It's gonna be one long, lonely night.
And yes, ever since then, I've been locked up in my tears and fears. Tell me, how do you expect me to move on? Huh? How do you expect me to move on when you're not here with me so we can play football together? I told you I grew up alone. Until I met your mother. She was my world. Not until you came and crowned it up. You left. Everything left. You took the lights now. Now I'm in darkness. No. Junior, no. I do not need a female company. No, you don't get it. You don't get it. The scar is still fresh. It's still very fresh. Okay. I've heard I've heard all that you have said. Okay? Let's go to bed now. Alright? I'll talk to you tomorrow. Do have a great night rest. Junior, my son. Go to bed.
Sorry, take it easy, take it easy.
Sorry.
Oh Lord, that's a cut.
You
You should
okay?
go get that checked out at the hospital.
I'm fine, okay? Fine, it's just a minor injury. There's a chemist close by. I'll just go treat myself there. I'm okay. Thank you.
Go to the hospital and check it out.
I said I'm fine. Thank you.
I'll follow you now.
No worry. I'm okay.
Oh my goodness. Please, you all should take it easy here, okay? Don't hurt yourselves.
I'll finish this one first. Fine, sure.
Kene? What are you doing?
I want to finish my portion.
You shouldn't be doing this. You should be resting your leg.
See, I'm almost done. I want to finish my own portion so that you can pay me complete today.
When you complete is not an issue. I'm actually concerned about your health. You should do a proper medical checkup and make sure there are no internal injury.
Ma, I'm very sure that you are not a doctor. I know how it's doing me. Besides, it's just a minor injury.
You know what? I will give you some pain relief medication and I will give you your complete money. Okay? But for now, you are relieved of your duties. For today, please, go and take care of yourself. And please, pity yourself. Why are you always so hard on yourself?
Thank you.
Are you ready?
Yes. I want to ask, why did you say that to me? Do you know me before?
What? Did I strike a chord? You have to take it easy on yourself, bro. Let me have your details so I transfer to you.
Wait, you don't have cash. I prefer cash.
You don't have an account detail or you don't want your money?
00 57 222 371 IT Bank.
Can I go with you?
Yes.
Okay, done. You should get some rest. Rest your body and rest your mind. Because you look like you have a third world war going on in there.
I will appreciate if you stay out of my head. I don't need your rhetorics. Excuse me. Thank you very much.
He looks fine and he speaks so deeply. And I'm curious. Is that this guy is suicidal or there's something else?
It's like every day has a branch of my past springing up without negotiation, and I'm wondering the teaser it keeps dropping on my face. Do I carry trouble on my face? Why would she say that? Son. Junior, you're not saying anything. Yeah, Junior. Come on. Hey, fine boy. Let's go to school. Yeah, let's go. No, come back on time. Junior, I wish I could rewind the hands of time. I wish I could rewind the hands of time. Maybe my life would have been way better. Be in a better place. I'm eating. I'm eating. Alright, I'm fine.
Help! 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 Help!
Doctor, what can we do about the vomiting of blood? I mean, what I saw was really terrible.
According to him, he said he had an accident yesterday at his place of work.
Yes, he fell yesterday. And I kept on telling him, I told him go to the hospital, do a medical checkup and make sure you have no internal bleeding. But he was treating it like it's not a big deal. And today I come on site, I didn't see him, I just wanted to go check up and make sure everything is okay. I go to his house and I find him vomiting blood.
Okay. Well, he has some internal bleeding. Okay. And he will require some surgery. Apart from monetary costs. I think, are you related to him? Do you know him very well?
No, not at all. He's a laborer in my father's site. And I'm the site supervisor.
Okay, because I'll prefer a family member to come and, do some documentation, sign up before surgery is carried out.
I understand. Well, the money is not a problem, but I have no knowledge of his family. Is he okay? Like, is he all right? Is he awake now? Can I talk to him? He's the best person to get that information.
You can say.
Thank you so much, doctor.
All right, so the earlier the better for the surgery. Okay?
Oh, sure. Thank you, sir. I'll keep that in mind. Be candid to yourself.
How did you find me?
Next question. Listen, you're going in for surgery, okay? So, where is your wife? She needs to sign some documents.
I beg your pardon.
I'm being straight with you. Okay? This is a matter of life and death. Yours. So do yourself a favor and try to be truthful. Not because of the bills, but at least because you should help yourself. So if you choose not to help yourself, then fine, I will walk out of here.
I'm not married. I used to have a family. My son died and his mom disappeared. I'm all alone in this world. I grew up without my father. My mother died in a motorbike accident after my graduation. I lost my job. I lost my son. I lost my mom. So I'm not just hard on myself. This life has turned my water into bitter lemon, so what is there to? There's nothing worth smiling for. You know what? I think you should save your energy, your money. I would love to go home and die in my house. That's a better idea. There's nothing on this side for me anymore.
Cold pills. Hard pills. Now I can relate. Quite an experience.
But are you going to quit on life because of these experiences? Great men go through fire to become better. There is no great man without a scar. You know what? Save your energy. You're going in for a surgery, so call a friend, a girlfriend, if you have any, to be by your side.
I don't have a woman in my life. I don't have what they need.
What do you think they need?
Relationship is expensive. It boils down to money.
Save that thought. Hey sis. Hey, you and Dad are cruising Abuja, yeah? No, I'm not actually jealous, not yet, but I'm getting there soon. You know what, can you call me back? Yes, please. Thank you. Do me a favor. Come out of that surgery room with your life. Come out alive. Okay? Save yourself. Here it is. Doc?
Yeah.
Can I ask you for a favor?
Go ahead.
Please do a good job. Just keep him alive.
Okay, we'll do our best, okay?
Thank you so much. Call me when it's done.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. Alright, have a good day.
You too.
Hey, Dad. I'm actually done for the day. But I'm heading to the hospital. Yeah, the doctor called, said the surgery was successful, so let me go check on the young man. Besides, how is the sunshine? Dad, caring for someone has never been an issue for me, okay? But then again, greet your sunshine for me. Tell her I see her. She hasn't called me all this while. Eh? I see her body languages. That's okay, Dad. I'm actually here now, so I have to go. I'll call you back. Alright. Okay then. Take care.
Have you ever been abandoned by someone you love? And you really can't explain the actual reason. And it all points down to, in life, it's either you or you. Thank you. Thank you for standing by me. If you hadn't come around, I'll probably be dead by now. But wait, why did you help me? Do you help random guys just like that?
Well, I find myself attracted to you. And plus I was genuinely worried, when I went to site and I noticed you weren't on site. Yeah, that. Well, I'm happy the surgery went well. And honestly, to be good if you let go of your past. I mean, you have a whole lot ahead of you.
Wait, did you follow me yesterday?
Yes, yes, I did. Look, I would like you to believe that your late son will be happy if you become happy with yourself again. Okay? Love yourself. Try to fulfill your dreams. I mean, you can't lock yourself in pity and give up on life because of your past experience. You're a graduate. Anything can happen. Opportunities can come up at any time. Okay, so never say never.
I don't know how much you paid here for me. And I don't think I can ever repay you. But I can try if you give me a chance. I see how you look at me. And I can sense that I like you too. And one day, though I may be a laborer, but I can love you if only you permit to me.
Well, I'm happy you've been positive. But I should get going because the word love is expensive.
Don't feel awkward that a laborer is talking to you about love. Love is a beautiful thing. For some reasons, I'd love to have your number. To wake up and call you. I know we are worlds apart, but as a laborer, I can build a bridge straight to your heart.
Okay. Your words are dangerous, you know that, yes? Well,
thank you.
I should be going, really. Try to get some rest so you can wake up sound. Bye.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yes, madam. Madam. Oga dey for line. She won't talk with you.
Hey, Dad. Sorry, I slept off. I had a long day.
Why not take some day off and rest? Site work isn't an easy task. Okay? You can call off the project and join us in Abuja. I want you to attend this conference with us. So to that effect, I have booked your flight ticket. I know you're bored down there.
I'm not really bored, but I definitely need to be flexed. What time is the flight?
7 a.m. The driver will drop you off at the airport.
Dad, please make it to afternoon, okay? I need to pull myself together, arrange some stuff. Meanwhile, can you give us your mother phone?
Hello, sunshine.
Like you cared. When last did you call me? I'm very sure you're the one pushing for this Abuja trip, right?
I miss you, baby girl. Don't worry, we have plenty gists just for both of us.
Okay, see you tomorrow. Good night. Thank you. Tomorrow morning you have to take me to the site.
Okay, ma'am.
And a few places before the airport.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Good night. Lock the doors.
I will, ma'am.
Good.
Thank you. Thank you for everything, for this shirt. This shirt, the gift. Honestly, I can't remember the last time someone got me a gift. Not even a boxer. Thank you.
I mean, it's nothing.
I know you needed them, so I mean yours were stained. I'm just glad you're okay. But can we go now? I have 2 more stops to make before heading to the airport.
Okay. Please, can I at least pay part of the hospital bill? I don't know the total cost, but I can try. I asked, but they did not tell me anything. I have 65k in my savings. I would love to give my widow's mite.
Okay, appreciated. But keep that thought and keep the savings for now. We have to go pick up your pills, okay? And remember what the doctor said, right?
Yeah.
So let's go. And yes, for now, no alcohol. Okay?
Yeah.
Easy, take it easy. Yeah, let's
Thank
go.
you.
I can hold that for you.
Thank you.
All right.
This is where I lay my head. Please, you can sit.
Well, the space is neat. And I really wish I can stay, but I have to run. I have a flight to catch.
Yeah.
My driver is waiting.
Yeah.
And you remember what the doctor said, so you need to rest. Okay?
Of course. Yeah, right. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to offend you.
It's okay. I'll call you when I land Abuja, yeah?
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Yeah, good day. Yes. All right, sir. My madam gave me a strict instruction to be giving you food every day till she comes back from her travel. And you don't need to call her. She will be the one calling you. And moreover, I will come here tomorrow to take you to the hospital for your appointment.
Okay. But please, what's your name?
Tony is the name. By the way, let me have your number.
Oh, okay. My phone is inside. Just call me. It will ring in.
Okay.
It's 080
233 233.
Yeah, 54
54
201. Yeah.
201. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, it's ringing.
Yes.
It's ringing. Then do not hesitate to call me if you have any problems, because this is our instruction until she comes back. All right.
All right, sir. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Okay, yeah.
Thank you.
All right.
Son, I'm wearing the shirt she bought for me. Now, she has sent her driver to bring me food. What do we do? I have a strong feeling for her, but I'm kind of scared. I feel I've fallen in love with her. You know what? I know you will not understand. When you get to my age, you understand. Oh yeah, now let's eat. Huh.
Mama, Chantel here is not just a friend. She's like a sister to me. Like, love is too much. I can't even explain it. The love is too much. I can't even explain it. Chantel, this is my one and only mommy. Hope you can call her Mommy Chico.
Oh, I'm going to church. You know what nickname? A guy name.
You see.
Well, I'm very happy to meet you.
You're welcome.
You know, I often say that sometimes when we want something to happen, it won't really happen the way we want it to, the way we think, the way we feel. It will just happen the way God has planned it. I and my brother have been so worried of who my father will end up with. Because obviously we're not going to be with him forever. We're not even with him as it stands now. But we have prayed and we have asked God for the perfect person. And I can say for a fact that Isioma is that perfect person. She's our God-answered prayer.
Thank you.
I haven't seen my father this excited in a long while.
Well, I think she has said it all. You see, very soon I'll be coming with my family so that we'll make it official.
Yeah.
I would have started doing it, but my eldest son is doing his medicals in the UK. And he insists I wait for him to come back. Funny enough, he's like my father. So I have promised him that I will wait till he comes back.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome.
You're welcome. Chief, you are not just my destiny helper. You're also my soon will be in-law. I am so happy. What more can I ask from God? Thank you so much. Thank you for taking care of my daughter. You can see how beautiful Isioma is. Oh, my cousin. Thank you so much.
You know, jewels are always hidden in a lowly place. We are just coming in from Abuja and we decided to come here straight to break this news to you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you. My knees are always on the ground praying to God Almighty to keep protecting and guiding you people.
Amen.
Thank you so much. I can't even wait. I cannot wait. Yes, I cannot wait to carry my grandchildren home for your grandchildren. Your children. Yes, your children.
You're rushing. Calm down.
I'm not rushing anything.
Everything will be fine. Now we just need it to be doing just be praying for us.
I am praying. God will keep blessing you.
Amen.
Thank you so much. Hey,
But do you know, have you noticed any funny thing?
What?
The bonding between the two of them.
It's too much.
I had to hold myself that first time you came to the site. Trust me, it was a beautiful distraction, but I did not want to be embarrassed, so I had to focus on my job.
You know, I must say, the first time I actually saw you, I had so many thoughts. I mean, you were just standing there looking so stunning, but you didn't even smile. You didn't talk to anyone. But I'm happy for you now.
Yes, honestly, I wish you were here. I just want to hold you in my arms.
Hold my hands or lock your lips with mine. You know, that kiss really sparked me. I see so much love in your eyes. I'll see you tomorrow though. I hope you're healing fast.
Yes, dear, it's healing fast. But with your touch, it will be perfect.
You know, my dad is eager to meet the young man that has made me fall head over heels. Even the young lady he wants to get married to is also eager to meet you.
I just hope you will accept me. Yeah, accept this unemployed graduate who couldn't get a job and has finally, settled to become a laborer. Truth is, status-wise, we are worlds apart. I'm a little bit scared that his precious daughter is falling in love with a common laborer.
Hey, I really understand all of that, but trust me, my dad is not like that. He's just after my happiness, okay? He won't bite.
He might see me as a gold digger.
Oh, come on. My dad is really not like that. Okay, as long as I'm happy, that's all that matters. He won't kick against us. Listen, he actually knows I'm seeing a guy here. And he's happy about it. I mean, he knew about my past relationships and he really wants me to settle down with someone from this side. So he's happy. He won't kick against us. No. You know what? When I see you tomorrow, we can go meet him.
I think we are moving too fast. Let me recover fully so that when he unleashes his men after me, I'll be able to run faster than my shadow.
You must be a comedian in your previous world. Oh my goodness. Okay, you know what? Fine. If you're not comfortable, that's not a problem. We can push that for some other time. But I will see you tomorrow.
No, that's fine. That's fine, okay?
Hey, you know what? I actually have to rest my head now. It's past 11 already.
Okay, babe. Do have a lovely night rest.
Okay. See you in the morning. Good night.
Good night and sweet dreams. I'll see you tomorrow, okay?
Oh,
Well, honestly, I'm done.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
We just go study, okay.
Have fun.
So I'm a foodie now.
You've always been.
Oh, really?
Okay. I know.
Take.
Oh. Sorry. Take now.
You should take. Please.
Sorry.
Yeah, I'm fine.
You didn't see that coming.
No, I didn't. Okay. Waiter.
No. How much is it? Just take. Keep the change.
You beat me to it.
Come on.
Thank you.
It's anytime. But I'm done. So, do they cheers with juice?
Yeah, they do. Vanessa is. Do they?
I don't know. I've never seen it before.
Nobody's watching.
Sorry. Yeah.
So, just... Sorry.
Okay.
Sorry.
Sorry. Yeah, thank you. Ah.
So you'll be fine.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, welcome. Bye.
Yes.
You like it?
Yeah, really good.
Mm-hmm.
Really nice.
You know, I must say you did very good today. Considering it's your first time. Who would believe?
I did.
Yes, you did. You did.
Come on, you're making me shy. Stop. Stop. Stop.
I can't believe you.
Oh, thanks to you. Thank you so much.
Anytime, any day.
Cheers again.
Yes, why not? Now, I really, really want to say something, but I have no idea what to say.
I thought I was the only one.
Right. So should we drink in silence or just chat and nothing?
I don't know. I think I should say.
We're not drinking in silence. Just
No,
yeah.
we'll say something. I don't know how this will sound, but please, can you wear this for me? Yeah, you. Well, you know, it's actually my mother's. I made a vow that I'm going to give it to the love of my life. And you're nothing less than that. Look at it. It's so beautiful on you.
Thank you. I am honored. And yes, it is beautiful.
Just like you. Good morning, sunshine. How are you? A local breakfast is ready.
What's this?
Well, no, this is hot okpa with tea. Trust me, it's so refreshing. You can call it laborer's delicacy. And yes, welcome to my Ajepako world. You know, with hot okpa, after eating it with either coke or tea, you are strong for the whole day.
Please.
Is your
Please. Don't introduce me to your local delicacy. But then, I must say, I do love okpa. It's actually been... Wait, it's been 15 years I haven't had this.
15 years?
Yes. Before this, I must say thank you for last night. I had a deep sleep and that hasn't happened in a while.
You're so sweet. The ecstasy was out of the world.
Oh, look at you. Sorry. Hold on. My dad.
Okay.
Hey, Dad. Good morning.
Yes, Chantal, you're flexing too much and you have forgotten your dad.
Dad, it's too early for this. Are you sounding jealous? What happened to your baby girl?
Well, I'm complaining. Only that I've not seen my princess.
Well, your princess is currently eating okpa and tea with her Prince Charming. Well, you know what, Dad? You should go have breakfast with your treasure, okay? I'll see you when I see you.
Well, I called because you have to sign some documents for my energy company. And I have some fresh engineers waiting to meet up with me this morning.
Okay. I will do that. Dad, can I come with my friend? He's an engineer too. You know, we can just check if we can work with him.
Okay, you can come along with him and his CV. Let's meet at the site. We want to resume work there.
Okay, Daddy. See you soon. Bye. Okay, I'll need your CV. My dad is expecting you.
Oh, I don't have hard copies here. I would have to print it out.
Okay, we'll print it on our way.
Okay, thank you. Like
So many memories. Awesome?
Sure. Really?
I mean, you have this every day, so please, don't stress it.
Enjoy.
Well, as you can see, this is a guest house.
Okay.
It's actually where I will just come to retire, you know. And I will make sure anybody coming in here, this is exclusive, specifically where we'll park our cars.
Okay.
And this will be our own room, our permanent room, you know. It has balcony in the front and at the back. So anytime you just feel like, hello. What's going on? No, come, calm down. What's good? Come here, come. Go.
No,
Come on.
Tell me it's not true.
Go.
No.
No? What's going on?
No.
Are you not a worker here? What do you have to do with it, Chama?
What's happening?
Speak to me!
What's going on? Why are you like this?
That's my ex. The mother of my late son.
What?
Oh.
Isioma.
Oh.
Isioma, what's my crime?
You! It's you that deceived her.
Dad?
You made her run away from her poor mother, a widow.
No.
You made her not to go to school.
Daddy.
Listen to me. If you love yourself, better leave my property now. Get out!
I am not a deceit. Isioma, tell them.
Listen to me. If you love your miserable life, leave my sight now. I swear with my wife's grave, I will lock you up for life. Get out!
Dad!
Hey, and you see this your car? You're leaving it here. You're riding with me. Oya, move. Oya, move! Be going! Come, we are driving together. Just be going.
What's going on? I've been calling you. You're not picking your calls. What is it? Again? Why is your face like this? Why are you crying? Is it, are you still crying because of your dead son?
Okay, I need to rest my head.
Okay.
In fact, leave my house.
My friend, calm down. Calm down! I came with good news. Here. This is an appointment letter from the company I submitted your CV to. Yes, you are selected and the CEO wants to see you. And guess what? She's a lady and from London. Foreign, oh, foreign. Get prepared, eh? Don't disappoint me, oh. Don't disappoint me.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
I will call you later in the day.
All right. I want you to know that things will be better now. You are just one step away from a new life. Okay? No problem. I'll see you later then. All right.
Thank you.
All right.
Oh, Chantel, I am disappointed at you. Tell me, what happened to your taste board? With all your traveling around the world, all you could do is to settle with a poor, wretched gold digger?
He's not a gold digger, Daddy. He was genuinely in love with Isioma. For Christ's sake, they had a son together. Yes, unfortunately, the boy died because at that time he didn't have money for hospital bills. But he was doing well. He was. He was doing well until he lost his job. Isioma abandoned him, of course, after losing their child. That young man has a 2-1 in civil engineering. You should have listened to him first, not shout down at him.
Listen to me. Isioma did the best thing by walking out of that bondage. That young man has no future. And you're defending him. Tell me, what else do you know about him? Do you know what I went through to train you and your brother? When you lost your mom? My wife? Now what are you paying me back with? To bring that shameless, useless laborer to me? Obviously, I won't allow that because he's here to milk you. I made a mistake of allowing you to go to that site. You know what will happen? You're traveling back to the UK and you will not see that boy again.
Isioma, sitting down there silent with those tears is not going to salvage you in this situation. You know him better than all of us, so come on, speak up. Tell us how your mother refused him because he's poor and she preferred it to marry a rich man. No wonder you actually accepted my father.
How dare you insult my woman? Have you lost it?
Honey, please, it hasn't got into this. Calm down. You slapped me. Because of her. Well, newsflash, Daddy. The way you love her, that's the exact way I love him.
Chantel, you're walking out on me?
You shouldn't have slapped her.
Listen to me, Isioma. I can do worse things to anybody who will insult you before me. You know what? Nobody leaves this house. Not you, not her. I am going back to that site. You see that boy? I will deal with him. I will deal with him. No.
What are you doing here? What do you want?
I'm so sorry. Seeing Kene knocked me off. I never saw this coming. He never abused me. Neither did he cheat on me. He's a good man. He didn't train me in school because he lost his job. My mother was against us. She hates him so much because of other rich men coming from my hand in marriage, which I refused. That was when I took him for him. She disowned me. After our son died, that was when I lost it. It was beyond me. That was when your dad met me. I'm sorry. Please don't leave him. He's a good man and he deserves the best. Please, call him.
He's not been picking my calls.
Text him. Maybe he's still crying because I broke his heart. I wanted to go back, but how do I face him? Your dad is so much in love with me. I can't leave him. And I can't leave this family. But please, don't leave us. You're one of the reasons I'm here. You received me with a good heart. Please.
Then you have to talk to my dad. I love Kene so much. I feel fulfilled when I'm with him. We just have to talk to my dad.
I will. He has gone out. I don't even know where he went to. He was so angry when he came upstairs. But don't worry. I'll beg him. Let me just mix us something to eat.
You will die here today. You evil man.
Please. Please.
Me, please.
Don't kill me.
Me, please.
In the name of God, I beg you.
Shut up! Shut up! You told the policeman to lock me up and beat me up mercilessly. What was my crime? Eh? You accused me of selling off your bags of cement. I begged you. My pregnant wife begged you. But instead, you chased her out of the house. You will die here today. Please. You are a very wicked man. You will die here.
Please, okay, I'll give you 5 million naira. Yeah, please.
Look at this one. You give me 5 million naira.
Okay, 10 million.
I don't need your money. I don't need your money.
I'll make it 20.
You're a ritualist. You're an evil man. You know that my wife almost died with her pregnancy. Almost lost her baby because of you. You will die here today. Nobody, see this bush. Nobody can hear your voice. You will die here today. Nonsense. Hello? Yes, we have the fool. He will die here. Yes. He will die here today. Okay. No, just wait there. We are coming. Just wait. Yes, wait. We are coming there now. We are coming there. Let's go. Please, watch this guy. Watch him.
Black, take charge.
Hello? Where you there? Okay, wait, just wait. They come here now. Just wait. Go. Just wait. No, wait, they come. Don't worry.
My G, go buy smoke, come. Smoke will just use am. This one no one compose.
Oga, this you don't need to delay too much. I dey come, guy. Mount to.
See.
Please, I will give you 2 million naira.
2 million? As for what? You think say if you say 2 million, I go start the shake body?
Okay. Can I have 5 million?
5 million?
Yes.
Na tomato abi na pepper na you dey say here.
See, I'll give you 2 million.
2 million for what? No be to that.
Let me make you 5 million, please. Help me.
Your cup don't fool.
Hey!
Fear.
Hey! Please don't kill me. You can take my daughter.
You talk too much.
Please. Hey!
Talk.
Hey!
What's happening here? They don't play also. How? From where? Move.
Hello? I'm so sorry I missed your calls. I was charging my phone inside.
I have called you more than 50 times. Are you planning to leave me?
please, I'm sorry for what my father did. I'm so sorry. But please don't leave me.
No, it's fine. I stepped out and dropped my phone in the house. I just got back and I saw your missed call. That's why I'm calling now. So sorry. How are you?
Hold on, I think my dad is back. Let me call you back.
Oh, okay.
Hey! I was kidnapped. Oh, they kidnapped me.
Babe.
My site supervisor kidnapped me.
Why? How?
Where's my daughter?
Chantel.
Where's my daughter? Oh. Hey! Hey! Dad? Chantel, they kidnapped me.
What?
My workers kidnapped. My site supervisor kidnapped me. Hey! Hey!
Oh my God, Dad, you need to see a doctor. You need to go to the hospital, okay? Why would I do this?
I don't know who is sponsoring them. I don't know who did, but I'm sure somebody was sponsoring them. They called him and 2 of them left. I lose myself and I ran off. God just saved me.
Oh, thank you, Jesus.
Hey.
Really. But, Chief, we are not safe. You need security, and Shante can't go to the site anymore. Please.
Yes, that's true. You know what will happen now? You go and get the other car key. We're going to Commissioner's office. Okay? They will track that car and they will track those boys. I will deal with them. Do you hear me? I will deal with them. Meanwhile, for now, 2 of you are grounded. Nobody leaves this gate without my consent. Am I clear? Yes. Hey! Hey! My enemies are at work. Hey! They are at work. Hey! My workers! Hey! No!
Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. My father has stepped on wrong toes and now they want him dead. Hey, don't let that bother you. No. He will sort himself out. Okay?
I'm pregnant. I'm carrying his child.
Oh
I don't want anything to happen to him.
This is such beautiful news. Does he know?
No. I wanted to tell him today, but with all of this happening, I'm scared and confused.
No. Don't be, okay? Just calm down, okay? Once the atmosphere is more friendly, you can tell him. Don't let it bother you. He will sort himself out. I'm happy for you. Okay, you know what? Relax. I will do the cooking today, okay?
It's fine. I'm almost done.
We'll be fine, alright?
After he left, he went back to the site, and that's where his former supervisor kidnapped him. Apparently, they took him to the bush and tied him up and rough-handled him. It's terrible.
Oh my God. But he's home now. Wait, how did he escape?
Oh, he said one of them received a call and they all left to maybe welcome someone. He managed to untie himself and escape.
Oh, thank God. Thank God he's safe now. He needs to be more careful. And you too. You guys need security.
Well, my father has always had political enemies. That's why he actually sent us out to study abroad. Well, the thing is, right now, I can't leave. Can't go anywhere now, and I'm literally in lockdown. But I miss you.
Heart messed up. Seeing is your heart. I can't begin to explain myself.
Do you want to go back to her? Is that what you want?
No, never. But it was your dad that took her away from me. She's been with you guys all this while. This life, it's not funny.
It's not like my dad took her from you. My dad actually said he met her on a lonely road crying and she actually looked suicidal. So he decided to talk to her and eventually took her to her mother, had a conversation and decided to sponsor her in school. Along the line, they fell in love. I'm sure my dad didn't even know you were the one. And she never mentioned your name, not even to me.
Honestly, I hold no grudges. But I was pained. It's like good things don't happen for me. And now you understand my love, Odyssey. So tell me, are you going to leave me too? Just as your dad called me a gold digger.
See, I believe that the death of your son broke her, and it broke whatever bond you both had.
Let me call you back. I think I have no minute.
Good day.
Good day, sir.
Yeah, I don't know why Chief sent me here, but he asked me to give you this morning 5 million naira. He said, you know why? That he wants you to leave the daughter alone and take this money for good.
Take it back to him. Tell Chief that I am not interested. That he cannot even buy me off with 200 billion.
Bros, young man, let me advise you. Let me give you a piece of advice. You need this money like Nigerian government. Yes, you need it. Take this money and solve your problems. After all, if the daughter loves you, she will walk your way to London. You need this money like Nigerian government. Yes.
Like I said, take this money back to him. I am not interested. Excuse me.
This era of bad governance, they talk of end bad governance. This era of Agbadowe person no see anywhere. They offer somebody 5 million naira. If they reject them, no be mugu, no be mumu. No be mumu, they worry the person. Tell me it's not true. Eh? Girl, as you don't need the money, me I need them. I need this money. Yes. What am I even talking? Let me even back. What am I even talking? Let me back. I will remain incommunicado. I go off. Jaba, a movement too. Oga, I don't serve you for 7 years. You don't even give me 200,000 naira. Just 200,000. You fit give somebody 5 million naira. If I return this money, make thunder. Make thunder. When you get mama, papa, make him strike me dead.
Hello, Uche. Where are you now? I'm standing by that junction. Yeah. Uche! Why? See, you are the man. Yeah. You are the real man.
Calm down.
Hey!
How did you go?
Well, I did not just get the job. As we are speaking, I am the chief operation manager.
Hey!
Thank God. Thank God all our plans worked. So, when are you starting?
Well, that's not all.
Huh?
They also made me the assistant regional head of their operations. With a house attached and a jeep. In fact, in 2 days' time, I will be traveling to Dubai for an executive training.
Kene.
Hey!
Kene alive! Kene alive! Kene alive! Kene alive!
Oh!
Kene.
Oh! Uche, God don't do.
Kene.
God don't do.
Kene. Kene.
God. Hey!
Kene alive! Kene.
Uche, I no fit thank you enough.
Hey!
Uche.
Hey!
He don't soft finally.
Thank God.
He don't.
Hey!
Hey! Chimoye Beromayo. Hey!
Okay.
Oh! Thank you.
Hey!
Thank you.
Chief, we caught him with his bag of money. He said he gave him the money for settlement. That was after much drilling. He even tried to bribe us, but we're not all corrupt.
You stole my money and my car, and you think you go scot-free? You will rot in jail. Officers.
Yes, Chief.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Chief.
You can take him to the station. I'll come much later.
Trevor, why would you do this? Why would you take my father's money?
I
mean, you've worked with him for over 7 years now. So why steal from him? What's the money for?
Listen, that question is inconsequential. Now he's a thief and he will face the law.
Well, he's not going anywhere until I hear from him. Oh, if you try to slap me one more time, I promise you, you will not set your eyes on me in this life again.
Is that a threat?
It's a promise, Dad. I've already called the embassy. You know you can't stop me. So, driver, I'm listening.
Auntie Chantal, Chief ordered me to take the money to Kene. He said Kene understands that he wants him to leave you alone, yes. But in his precise words, he told me that he doesn't need that money. That no man, even if anybody gives him 200 billion, no man can buy him. That he will never accept that. Then I had to take the money. Yes, I absconded with the money. Auntie Chantal, I have diligently and with humility worked for your father. I served him for 7 good years. Without me, he couldn't do anything for me but 5 million for someone so that he will stop seeing you.
Dad? Why? Well, is this you being mean or wicked or just what? You being callous? You want him to stay away from me. You want to pay him off when you're the one who took the woman he had a child with.
believe this. I just can't believe this. Officers, please, you can go back to your station. Release him. This is a family affair, okay? We'll talk it out here. Take that thing away from his hands.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hello, honey. And please drop the car key with the security. Okay, honey, please, where are you?
Okay. It's okay, calm down, okay? We'll be fine, alright? Okay? Take care of yourself. Officer.
Man.
See me the wear shirt.
You're a big man now, no?
Wait.
Careful.
Hey, babe. Are you okay? You don't sound great.
Please, I need you to come to my house. My dad is here. Isuma is here too. Everything is okay. Trust me. Come, I'll send you the address. Honey, please, it's a matter of life and death. Please, if you love me, just come. I'm waiting for you.
Babe, but your dad hates me.
Hello, Kene. This is Isioma. Please come if you don't want her dead.
Okay. I will come. In fact, I'm on my way. Guy, you need to come with me to Chief's house.
Come with you to where? Guy, with all these threats? Eh? See, listen. You need to stay away from that family. For your own good, oh. Stay away from that family. God has already blessed you with a nice job. Papa, make your village people not finish you. What was this? Are they talk you, they stand up, guy?
Then let it be known that I, Kene Chukwuobi, died because he loved the daughter of a chief.
Guys, you don't... Hey!
Thank you so much for coming. You actually risked your life to come into the house of the man who took your Isioma.
I'm here because of you. I'm here because I love you. Okay? Isioma, how are you?
I'm fine. You're welcome.
Thank you.
What is going on here? What are your bags doing here? Chantal? You invited him to spite me? And you? You have the nerves to step into my house. Are you not afraid?
That this has nothing to do with disrespect. I just want to ask Kene in front of you. Kene, why did my father send his driver to give you 5 million naira?
I don't know. I don't know for him. He's the best person to tell you why. I'm even wondering why I'm here. Why he will send his driver to give money to someone he calls a gold digger.
You better leave my house before I get you arrested. You should have gone with the money. Disappeared from the radar. Instead, you're standing here stealing rubbish.
An ungrateful heart will never be satisfied in this life. Pride will sink your ship.
You have mouth to insult me, right? I don't blame you. I don't.
You took Isioma from me. Now you want to take her from me. That will never happen. I should have left you when you were adopted to die. I shouldn't have saved you.
Did you just say you saved my father?
Without missing words. Had plugged my phone in the house when I was getting ready to go see Uche. I stepped out and I saw some guys taking your father. I trailed them to a bush where I saw them beating him. At the time, one of them had a call. He left with someone and there was just remaining one person looking after him.
Please, I will give you 2 million naira.
2 million? As what? You think say if you say 2 million, I go start the shake body?
Okay. Can I 5 million?
5 million?
Yes.
Na tomato abi na pepper na you dey say yeah.
See, okay, see, I'll give you 2 million.
2 million for what? No be 2 that's
let me make it 5 million, please. Help me.
Your cup don't fool.
Hey! Hey! Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. You can take my daughter.
You talk too much.
Please. Hey! Hey!
Talk.
Hey! 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 Hey!
I took him to a major road and put him in a keke, and I also left.
Dad, the young man you call a gold digger actually saved your life. And instead of you to thank him, you send your unfortunate driver to give him 5 million naira to stay away from me. I never knew you were like this. But it's okay. It's fine. I'll leave you. You will never see or hear from me again.
Chantel, please don't do this. Don't leave us. I'm begging you, honey, please apologize to her.
Nobody is perfect. I was just trying to protect you. I don't want anybody to take advantage of you. Please. I am sorry. Chantel, you know Daddy loves you, right? Please, find it in your heart to forgive me.
It's okay, Daddy.
Thank you.
But then you have to accept him. I love him with all my heart.
Young man, I will be a wizard to stop you from loving my daughter. But please, don't hurt her. Okay? I am fully in support of your union as long as she's happy.
Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, sir. You're welcome.
What's your full name? Are you from this state?
Yes, sir. My name is Kene Obi, the only son of Dr. Chukwudi Obi. He died in a plane crash when I was barely 2 years old. I was raised by my mother, but she's late now.
I am sorry about that.
Young man, I want you to know that you're part of this family now. Okay? This is for both of you. It's a token from me.
Thank you so much, my love. Thank you. Now we are one big family again. We should celebrate this, you know.
Yes, we should.
Yeah.
Check it.
What is it?
Dad, he just got a job in a major company.
Really?
Oh, congratulations, my love.
Congratulations.
Oh.
This calls for a celebration.
Yeah.
Like they always say. This is a good day. Abby?
Yeah.
This is the day the Lord has made.
Yes.
Calls for a celebration.
Yes, sir.
Come on, why don't you get a wine? Let's pop and be happy.
Babe, thank you. It is the love that you have shown me that has made light shine on me. Thank you.
So, let's